Hi, I'm Ronan with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about all-in-ones and hard drives. A lot of people like the all-in-ones because they don't take up a lot of space, and they're more compact. You don't have a lot of cables and that type of thing going everywhere. But they do have some downsides. What tends to happen is that effectively it's like a laptop motherboard and processor that's mounted behind a monitor. And if they've gone cheap and used a regular spinning drive, what tends to happen, this generates heat, the processor generates heat, your video generates heat, and there's nowhere for that heat to dissipate. There's not a lot of airflow. So what tends to happen is that ultimately either the hard drive or the motherboard fails. In this case, the hard drive failed, the customer turned it on this morning, and boom, no bootable device found. The hard drive's completely dead. So if you have an all-in-one, the first thing that you want to do is check your hard drive regularly and check to see if you've got a solid state hard drive, because if you don't, you really want to put in a solid state hard drive. It's going to make it run faster, but they run cooler and there's less likely to fail. So if you do have an all-in-one, remember you really need to have a solid state hard drive, and if you don't have one, bring it into Impress and we can clone it while the drive is still spinning to a solid state. Don't wait until you wake up one morning to discover that your hard drive has failed and you've lost everything. I'm Ronan with Impress Computers, 281-647-9977.